Today at Secret Super Chef we have muhammara. It's a dish that is made with roasted red peppers and walnuts. This dip goes pretty well with pita bread or pita chips. You can include this dish in your mezze platter or can have it as it is for breakfast, or it even goes pretty well with a light dinner. I've given my own twist to the recipe, hoping you all will like it. Let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe, we will require red bell peppers or the long red chili peppers. I have used one bell pepper. Place the peppers on direct flame and roast them till they are completely charred. Keep turning and twisting them till they are completely charred from all the sides. I'm taking the Kashmiri red chili, the whole one with seeds. Here I've taken 2 red chilies. I'm going to grill them on open flame. Be very quick while doing so, otherwise they may catch fire. Both the chili and the pepper are nicely char grilled. Discard the black charred skin from the bell pepper. Do not wash the bell pepper, simply peel it off. Slice the pepper and remove the seeds. Take a mixer jar and transfer the peppers into it. Add the roasted red chilies as well. If you wish, you can discard the seeds. I'm adding them as it is since they are not very spicy. Now I'm going to add roasted walnuts. Here I've taken 15 to 20 kernels. Add 3 to 5 garlic pods. Add half a teaspoon chili flakes. Also add half a teaspoon of sugar. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This recipe calls for some breadcrumbs. These are homemade brown bread breadcrumbs. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons here. Now our secret ingredient, half a teaspoon sumac spice. I'm also going to use some pomegranate molasses in this recipe. All these ingredients are available online. I'll add 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses. If we need a little more, we'll just taste it later on and add. All the ingredients are mentioned in the description box. Kindly refer the same. Our final ingredient is salt. Add it as per your taste. Let's grind everything to a smooth paste. Our amazing muhammara is ready. Transfer it into your serving bowl. The quantity mentioned here is enough for 4 people and this recipe easily doubles. Just before serving, add a tablespoon of olive oil. Sprinkle some sumac spice. Finally, garnish with some pomegranate pearls. Our amazing muhammara is ready to be served. You can make this ahead and refrigerate this for up to 3 days, but make sure to bring it to room temperature before serving. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel and like and comment on them. Thank you.